Aquaman is a classic DC superhero, but he went through a kind of a strange time here in the mid-90s. He's got kind of the long Fabio hair. He has a hook for a hand. I never really understood what happened to his hand. So this is Arthur Curry. He was born in Atlantis, so obviously can breathe water, swim fast, and can talk to sea animals. It says his strength diminishes after prolonged exposure out of water, so his fractal tech gear allows him to remain on land and battle villains with his blasting hydrosphere for extended periods of time. So I guess the story for this is that Darkseid's coming and Batman finds out, and they all have fractal tech gear, and you can see they're kind of... So Batman has a flight armor. Robin has a spinning razor disc and battle staff. Aquaman, obviously, we have here. Flash has a velocity power suit, which doesn't really seem like something he needs because he can already run fast. Green Lantern has a ring energy disc launcher, and then Darkseid obviously has the Omega Effect Capture Claw. So this is from Kenner, 1996. They were owned by Hasbro at this point. Yeah, what a weird guy. But we're gonna bust him open here. Free Arthur Curry from his cell. He's had kind of a rough life, Arthur Curry. Obviously, he went through a 90s phase where he had a bad haircut. And I mean, Superman did too. He had a mullet. So you can't really blame him. Yeah, the scale on this is kind of weird. I mean, his legs are super long. He's got his flowing hair. Let's see what else he's got. He's got some kind of weird cannon thing. There, let's see. There's a purple missile. It's got like, I don't even know how to describe it. Some kind of shoulder pad thing, another shoulder pad. I don't know why he needs all this stuff, but apparently he does. So let's see here. So this, kind of pivots, I guess. Place armor pieces on figure as shown. Okay, does it go? Yeah. Okay, so this kind of goes on a shoulder. Oh, there's a magnet. Is it a magnet? No, it's not a magnet. I thought it was a magnet. All right, so that goes on there, and this goes here. I don't understand any of this. What? Okay. And, okay, so here's what's weird. When he has that on, he can't turn his head because his hair is in the way. So he has to always be looking to his left. So hopefully nobody attacks him on his right. That's his weak side. And then this, it just snaps onto his arm, I see. Okay, so there we go. I mean, when you think of Aquaman, this is obviously exactly what you think of, right? Let's see how this little... Okay, the launcher works pretty good. It looks kind of like a purple tongue. But yeah, he can't turn his head. That's unfortunate. But he's got this cool... What's it called? Fractal tech gear. The shoulder spikes are movable, obviously. I mean, what... I don't know. I don't really know what the practical purpose of that is, but there he is, Mr. Arthur Curry, with his hook hand, his long legs, his flowing mane, his grimacing face, moving shoulder spikes, weird armor, a big blaster thing with a purple tongue looking cannon. I mean, this is a very 90s iteration of Aquaman. The 90s were a very interesting time. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think that guy's going on the shelf. I think he's going to sell for cheap kind of eBay lot. But thanks for watching, and make sure your hair doesn't get in the way of any kind of practical weapons you might have in case Darkseid comes and tries to take over the Earth.